In this video, we are going to see SunPump APIs from BigQuery. All the API links will be in the description along with BigQuery's Telegram channel link. You will need to sign up first on id.bitquery.io to be able to test these APIs. We are going to see two APIs in this tutorial. First one is API to track token launch to SunSwap. Second API is to track token purchased events. Let's start with the first API. We're going to track 10 latest SunPump token launches to SunSwap. Make sure this is EAP here, as Tron is right now in EAP. Select Tron, select network as Tron, and then select the dataset as real time because we want the latest 10 token launches. Then select calls, and under calls, we will select this where keyword and we will use this where keyword to put our filters. We will select call, and then under this call, we will select to and put the Sunpump contract address in here. We will also specify the signature name as launch to text. Now you may ask, how do you know it's launched to text method? I will add the query in the description, you can try it. It will give you all the methods that this contract has. Also set limit count to 10 from here, and also set the order by as descending according to block time. We want our responses to be in descending order according to the block time. Now select the fields you need info about. Select call, under that select signature, under signature select name, select arguments, under argument select name, value, and for value select all of the data types: big integer, address, hex, integer, and bool. Also select the type, then select block time to know when the transaction was happened, and also the transaction hash. The arguments will contain the token which is getting launched to SunSwap. You can run this query and you will get the latest 10 launches. You can see the token address which is launched to SunSwap. Moving on to the second API, we are going to get latest 10 transactions where a token purchased event was fired from Sunpump contract. This query is an example that you can track Sunpump contract events also from BigQuery. I will add the query in the description which gives you all the events that the Sunpump contract has. That's where I have got this token purchased event from. I'll show it to you. I'll show you the query where I've got all the events. I have used the count here to group the same events together. And this gives me the transaction received, token sold, ownership transferred, this token purchase event also. That's what I'm going to use here. Select Tron, then select events, where log, signature name as token purchased. Now select the fields you need info about. Select log, under log, select signature, name, and signature hash. Select transaction hash, select the topics hash, and also select the arguments from here. Select name, and also all the values. Also select call, from, and to. Just put here limit count 10 and also order the result in descending order by block time. Also select data set as real time. Select the contract address here as Sunpump contract address and you will see some results. So these were the APIs for Sunpump provided by BigQuery. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.